Is it working?
Yes, but I'm in someone's Google Drive.
Ooh.
G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean. Today I just wanted to quickly share with you my thoughts and opinions on a product that was sent out to me for review. This is a mouse from EasySMX, a company that I had not heard of, but they were kind enough to reach out to me and ask me to review and check out this particular product. The mouse that I'm going to be checking out is called the V18. So this is apparently one of their best selling mice on the website. It's got a lot of really positive reviews. It's a mouse that's really designed and aimed for FPS gaming, although you can use it for any game that you want. The mouse itself only costs about $10 or $15, so it's extremely good value, and I'll talk about some of the pros and cons of this particular product. Before I do that though, I just want to say one quick thing, is that I was a little bit nervous in terms of downloading the software from their website. The website looks quite good. When I went to download the drivers, which is great that they have them, it did take me to a Google Drive, and then when I was downloading them and installing them, Windows was like, I don't really trust this particular software. I don't know if you want to run it. I did run it, I did install it, and it did all work, but I was still a little bit hesitant. So that's kind of my only little nitpick there, if you like. But now, talking about the particular product, like I said, it's only about $10 or $15, and you do get a lot of bang for buck. So you've got here some DPI buttons on the top here, so you can change your sensitivity. You've got left and right click, obviously, a scroll wheel. You've got some red elements glowing through, so it's slightly a little bit more exciting to look at if you have it on your desk. You've got a forward and back button on the left hand side with what they call a sniper button here as well, and then you've got a customizable key next to the left hand side. So the sniper button kind of slows down your sensitivity a little bit when you're in a fast paced game, such as maybe Counter-Strike or something like that. You've got a little thumb rest on the left hand side of the mouse, which is nice that they've texturized it to give you a bit more grip, and then you've also got some texture on the right hand side too. Now, one thing I actually was really surprised by with this mouse, considering it is only $10 or $15, is that when you turn it over and you pull this back cover off, you have some actual weights in here, so you can go ahead and pull those weights out, and it will obviously make the mouse feel a little bit lighter if that's something that you prefer, or you can leave them all in if you want a little bit heavier of a mouse. So this mouse, I think with all of the weights removed, is about 115 grams. You've got a braided cable, which is about 1.5 meters long, and the sensor is a laser sensor. So overall, it's extremely good value for about $10 or $15. I've reviewed some cheap products like the Game Gear's products. I've also reviewed some products like the Logitech products, and you know what? At the end of the day, it's really great value. You do get a really solid mouse for the money. You have a lot of different options as far as in the software if you want to reprogram keys, but the software is probably the only thing that I would say that the company might need to improve to gain a little bit more trust from the customers that are buying this particular product. In the box, simply just comes with a little user manual, and then you've got here a little card as well. So if you use this QR code and you sign up, you do get a $10 voucher for their website, and they want to hear from you. So if you've got any feedback, you can write to them. So I feel like they are trying to move in the right direction. They want to offer a great value product for as little money as possible, and if you've got any feedback, you can actually reach out to them, which not a lot of companies do include. So that's my thoughts and opinions. I've been playing some Counter-Strike with it for the last few days, and it does the job and it works perfectly fine. But let me know what you think. If you have any questions about this product, leave them in the comment section down below. If you like this video, chuck it a like. Make sure to subscribe down below as well so you don't miss out on any other future videos that I do, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.